Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we'll show you how to recover notes that disappeared on iPhone using 3 simple methods to bring your notes back. Now let's get started. Method 1. Recovering from the recently deleted folder. Step 1. Open the Notes app on your iPhone. This is where all your notes are managed. Step 2. Tap the folder's icon in the top left corner. This lets you see all the folders, including deleted ones. Step 3. Select the recently deleted folder. It keeps deleted notes for up to 30 days. Step 4. Check if your missing note is still inside. If it's there, you can bring it back. Step 5. Tap Edit, select the note, and tap Move to restore it to another folder of your choice. Method 2. Re-enabling iCloud Notes syncing. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where you control your Apple account and sync settings. Step 2. Tap on your Apple ID name at the very top of the screen. This takes you into your iCloud settings. Step 3. Select iCloud from the list. This section manages what gets backed up or synced. Step 4. Tap Show All, then scroll and tap on Notes. You'll see if syncing is currently off. Step 5. Turn on the toggle to re-enable iCloud syncing for notes. This brings back notes stored in iCloud. Step 6. Now open the Notes app and wait a few moments. Your iCloud notes should reappear shortly. Method 3. Restarting and updating your iPhone. Step 1. Press and hold the side button along with the volume button. Slide to power off your device. Step 2. Turn the iPhone back on after a few seconds. A fresh restart can resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Go to Settings, then tap General, and select Software Update. This checks for the latest iOS version. Step 4. Download and install any available updates. Updating your system can fix bugs that hide or affect your notes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful iPhone tips.